myFleet enables you to manage and monitor the maintenance of all your fleet in the one location. From My Komatsu, roll over myFleet and select View Fleet. Choose the machine you'd like to view. In the machine profile, click on the Maintenance tab. There you'll be able to view any outstanding factory campaigns, Komatsu-initiated product improvements, complimentary to customers, and request a service to have a campaign completed. Current defects identified from a Komatsu service are listed here. Click here to view a larger image, or select one or more defects to update the status using the Update Selected button. Upcoming services are also shown to assist with your forward planning. You can also request Komatsu to complete the service, buy parts, which will connect you to the parts required to complete this specific service on the machine, or mark the service as done, adding any notes for your future reference. If Komatsu does the service, the status will be automatically updated overnight. You'll also be able to see the service history, which includes one-off events such as breakdowns, along with any available condition reports for each service. To view the maintenance details for your other machines, just go back to the myFleet tab and click on the machine you want to view.